Living rooms are where families gather, relax, and entertain, so having a space that feels open and comfortable matters. In many Rowlett homes, living rooms can feel limited by wall space or window placement, making them seem smaller than they actually are. Bow Windows offer a smart solution by adding visual space without changing the home's footprint. For Rowlett homeowners looking to make their living rooms feel larger and brighter, Bow Windows deliver both style and function. Extending the room beyond the wall. Bow Windows project outward from the exterior wall, creating a gentle curve made up of multiple window panels. This outward extension adds depth to the room. In Rowlett living rooms, that added depth makes the interior feel larger. Even a modest projection can visually expand the space and reduce the boxed-in feeling common with flat walls. Letting in more natural light plays a major role in how spacious a room feels. Bow Windows allow sunlight to enter from multiple angles throughout the day. For Rowlett homeowners, increased natural light brightens the living room, reduces shadows, and helps the space feel more open and inviting, creating a wider field of view. Unlike standard windows that frame a narrow view, Bow Windows provide a panoramic perspective of the outdoors. Multiple glass panels work together to expand the viewing area. In Rowlett living rooms, this wider view draws the eye outward, making the room feel larger and more connected to the outdoors. Softening interior lines and corners, flat walls and sharp corners can make a room feel confined. The curved design of Bow Windows softens these lines, creating a more fluid interior layout. For Rowlett homes, this gentle curve adds visual interest while making the living room feel less rigid and more expansive. Improving light distribution across the room. Bow Windows distribute light more evenly than single-pane windows. Sunlight enters from different angles, reaching deeper into the room. In Rowlett living rooms, this balanced lighting reduces dark corners and helps the space feel open from wall to wall. Creating a functional window area, the space created by Bow Windows often becomes a natural focal point. Homeowners can use this area for seating, decorative displays, or cozy reading spots. In Rowlett homes, these functional window areas add usable space while reinforcing the room's open, airy feel. Enhancing interior design flexibility. Bow Windows provide more design flexibility than flat windows. The added depth allows for creative furniture placement and decor arrangements. For Rowlett homeowners, this flexibility makes it easier to design a living room that feels spacious and personalized. Pairing space with energy efficiency. Modern Bow Windows are designed to provide visual expansion without compromising comfort. Advanced glass options help manage heat while still allowing light inside. In Rowlett living rooms, homeowners enjoy the feeling of a larger space without dealing with discomfort from temperature fluctuations. Increasing perceived room size without renovation. One of the biggest advantages of Bow Windows is their ability to transform a room without major remodeling. For Rowlett homeowners, Bow Windows offer a way to increase perceived space without altering the home's layout or square footage. Professional installation ensures the best results. To maximize the visual space Bow Windows provide, proper installation is essential. Professional installation ensures correct placement, alignment, and sealing. In Rowlett homes, expert installation helps Bow Windows perform well while delivering their full visual impact. A spacious feel. For Rowlett living rooms, Bow Windows are a powerful design feature that add visual space, light, and depth to living rooms. By extending the room outward, widening views, and enhancing light distribution, they help Rowlett homeowners create living spaces that feel larger and more inviting. For those looking to open up their living rooms, Bow Windows offer a beautiful and practical solution.